odd days. This is very important concept with respect to calendars. What is odd day? In a given period, the number of days more than complete weeks are called odd days. For example, 365 days. So 365 days can be written as 52 weeks. How I am writing here 52 weeks directly? Simple. 365 when divided by 7, because a week contains 7 days. That is the reason we divide with 7. 7 5s are 35. The remainder is 1. 5. 7 2s are 14. So the remainder is 1. So we can write it as 52 weeks plus 1 day. So in a 365 days, number of odd days is 1. Okay, we will see few examples. See here, in 10 days we will have 1 week, 3 days. So how many odd days are there in 10 days? 3 odd days. 3 odd days. In 100 days, 100 can be written as 7 into 14 plus 2. So this 2 is an odd day. So that is it, writing here 2 odd days. 150 days, likewise 21 into 7, 147, and 3 days is remaining. So for 150 days, how many odd days are there? 3 odd days. For 200 days, this can be written as 28 into 7, which is nothing but 196 days. So how many odd days are there? 4 odd days. 300 days, 300 days can be written as 42 weeks and 6 days. 42 into 7, which is nothing but 294. The balance is 6 odd days. 350 days, 350 is exactly multiple of 750 into 7. So there is no odd days, so 0 odd days. Okay. Now for example, non-leap year. In a non-leap year, how many days are there? 365 days. So 365 contains 52 weeks, 1 day. So this, for a non-leap year, how many odd days are there? 1 odd day. Leap year, a leap year has 366 days. So this can be written as 52 weeks and 2 days. So a non-leap year contains 1 odd day and a leap year contains 2 odd days. A leap year contains 2 odd days, non-leap year contains 1 odd day.